in the bag?
Do we want to know what's in the bag?
Is it a body? It's rubbish.
I have a feeling a body wouldn't fit in that bag. Which direction do we go? That one did it quite quick because it's bright. Dog walker on duty. Dog walker on duty. What happened in this forest again?
People that go in don't come out.
Lovely. It's a lovely fact.
And you hear screaming at night. Listen.
All I can hear is a bunch of chickpeas.
You'll hear it.
Don't hear no screams. Are you going into the scary entrance? What do you mean you can see things? I can't.
More people. That was a bit blurry, wasn't it?
I don't like all that twig breaking I can hear. Makes you think someone's watching you. Going in alone? Oh yeah, let's go through the creepy area. Oh yeah, raven. What? What? You sound a bit shocked by that. Don't like it here.
Huh?
Don't like it here. There's a light. There's an ominous light at the end of the tunnel. I swear I just heard a voice and a bunch of twig breaking. Oh, let's go down the spooky area where the scary noises are coming from. That is totally the first thing you think of. Oh, I know, let's go down the spooky area. Whatever just made that cheerful tune is the thing doing the twig breaking. I will avoid that.
I'm not going to.
We won't get lost.
What's that graffiti?
It's a triangle. Look at the triangle. Blue triangle, might mean something. Right, now do we go on the path that's clearly been walked, or the really dark and ominous tracked path? Look at these. Still dark. Still dark. Don't like the noises in here. That's for sure. It's all lit up. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, this scary part where, like, there's the wall. What, you go through the scary gate? The scary gate goes into what looks like an overgrown field. There's no doubt about it, there's people out here. Good luck getting a picture. Oh, I've got a good video. It looks good on the video. It's past the church.